Welcome to the Bit.Team channel. After creating your account and logging into Bit.Team Exchange, it is important that you configure your account and activate the two-factor authentication to improve the security of your account against hackers or someone steals your funds. To secure your account, click on the icon on your profile and select Profile. Okay, on this page, Profile Settings. Click here on the two-factor authentication option and a window will open. So we need to follow these 3 steps. The first step is to download the app Google Authenticator. You will need to install this app on your smartphone. To do this, you can use these links to access directly Play Store or Apple Store. If you have an Android phone, click on Google Play Store, but if you have an iPhone, click on Apple Store. Okay, so download and install the app on your smartphone and then proceed to the next step. With the application open on your smartphone, click on the plus button like this and select the Scan QR code. Now, position the camera to scan the QR code, or if you prefer, enter this code manually in your app. Click on the plus button like this and select Enter a Setup Key. Write Bit.Team Exchange and enter the code and then click to add. Remember that it is important that you save this code somewhere safe because it can be used to restore your account in case of you lose your phone. Click to continue and go to the last step. Open the app on your smartphone and look for the security number generated for Bit.Team. Enter the number that appears on your smartphone here and click Send. Congratulations! You have activated your two-factor authentication and now your account should appear with the button active. The next recommended step is to also activate this Ask 2FA Withdraw confirmation. If you want to add more security to your account, you will need to do a KYC check. But how to complete your KYC registration and how to be approved is what we will see in the next video.